Hey guys, how's it going? Brandon here. Hope you're all having an awesome day. Today is just a short sort of introduction video to one of my newest pets, which he is sitting behind me right now. His name is Percy, and he is in fact a barn owl. What are you doing, Percy? So yeah, just before we get into this video, I just want to say, please do not watch this video and go out and buy a barn owl. Make sure you know what you're doing, make sure you've done your research, make sure you know all the equipment that's needed for them. And yeah, so let's just see if Percy wants to come and say hello. Hi, Percy. Good boy. Here he is. So Percy is only about 3.5 months old now. I got him when he was 9 weeks old. He was the last in the clutch, is that the word? The last baby. I got him from a breeder that's not too far from me, and they were super helpful, and they had a lot of information to give me. They showed me the parents, they showed me where they keep them, and the guy was really good. He's trying to fly. Percy, this video is for you. You can't fly away. Oh, that'd be grumpy. I think he's a bit unsettled because of the camera. He doesn't really know what it is, do you, mate? So these guys do eat meat. They eat chicks, mice, things like that. So he gets fed probably 2 or 3 a day. I am still training with him, so he's not. We're still learning to train like flying and things like that. He's not quite mastered it just yet. But we're getting there, aren't we, Perce? Still learning with everything. And it just poops down my leg. Delightful, thanks, Perce. Percy, you're very poopy today. Yes, you are. Sit there. Good boy. Put your wings down. There we go. Percy. Oh. Flows straight over to his little perch that he likes to sit on. So Percy is not wild caught. It is actually illegal in England to catch barn owls. He has got a certificate that says that he's not wild caught. So please do not go out and try and catch a barn owl. I think in America there's different laws that you can't actually own them. But he has a certificate that specifies that he's been bred and he has not been in the wild. He wouldn't survive in the wild because he's used to me bringing him food and he's not used to hunting for his own food. Fun fact about these guys, their Latin name is Taito alba. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. In the wild, these guys would probably eat like 3 or 4 rodents or small animals a night. So that's what he gets, the equivalent of 2 to 3 chicks. Sometimes he has mice, small rats, things like that. Yeah, so this is my barn owl. He's being a good boy now, and he's not flying away, and he's not pooping on me, so that's good. So if you guys want to see some more of Percy, please leave a like on this video, leave a comment, ask any questions that you might have, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!